In this clip, we're going to show you how to install the 4-gallon Rain Basin slot mount onto a bed rack. So for this particular rack, there's already these assembly bolts sticking out. So what we're going to do is we're going to line those up with this indented channel so they don't get in our way, because we want the tank to sit flat. In your kit, we have these 3/8 carriage bolts. You're just going to slide them into these slots through the back. This particular rack has a 3/8 slot. Some have 5/16, some have 1/4 inch. In your hardware store, we'll have any size carriage bolt you need. And then next we're going to do is just going to take the mount, put it over the 2 bolts, and then just a washer and nut on each bolt. All right, got the slot mount all tightened down. You're just going to take the tank, pop it right on there, take your lock panel, match the triangle, and just slide it on. So I slid the lock panel on. Now I'm just going to take my lock, insert it, and you're good to go.